Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, we'll make the third part of our feature style drop. We'll be making the leads. In this first part we'll make the drums, second the bass, so now the leads. If you're interested in more sounds like this, for example selector style, feature style or hexagon style, make sure to check Future Selection. The pack is out right now. So the final result will sound something like this.
Cause the vibe's so smooth when I break it down.
So this is what we got so far.
Cause the vibe's so smooth when I break it down.
So quite groovy already. So now let's make the top leads to make it even more poppin'. So add a new Serum. So as I said before, we have A and a B section. This lead will be for the A section. So we're working in F. Around here. Make it like this long. And then descend this out. So for the first oscillator, we're using the dirty saw. It's over here. Lower down 2 octaves. And it sounds like this. So we're gonna use the sync. Just on here. Now put it with unison to 16 and lower down the tune a bit. And that's it for oscillator A. So then oscillator B. This is a quite gritty sound already. So for oscillator A B we're gonna use the square wave. So basic shapes. One here, lower down 2 octaves. In the filter, we're gonna use the band pass. Band 12. Go to front here. Put a drive. I want FO1. I want FO1 to the drive and a cutoff. Just to make the sound move a bit more. Set the trigger the rate to a half. Just like this. Put oscillator B to 60 unisons as well. Lower than the retune. So around here. And give a bit more release. And then select modo legato. And always. And put them in a bit. So the last thing we're gonna do is make move a bit more. So about FR1 to the fine. This will give it some more attunements as well. Just like this. Save for oscillator B. So let's dive into the effects section. First hyperdimension. Just like this. And distort a bit. Put it before the hyper. Gonna use the diode 2. Bit of a heavy distortion. Lower down the mix bit. Just one here. Then we're gonna use an OTT. Put the gain. Just like this. That's of chorus. So we're gonna make it quite dirty sound. To finish it off, we're gonna give some reverb and delay. Give the low cut. And it's like ping pong. Lower down the mix bit. Just like this. So then we're gonna route it to the mixer. First of all some sidechain. Some more OTT. Make it a bit dirtier. Then we're gonna use some EQ and distortion. To the separator. Put it with the drive. And put it with the highs as well. Just like this. Lower down the volume a bit. It's too heavy right now. And give it a low cut. So it doesn't interfere with the bass. Just around 200. So that's it for the A section. Let's mix it in. So it can be a bit longer. Just on here. So give some bit more release. And we're going to automate the pitch bends. So we'll pitch up at the second part of the A section. So let's make an automation clip. Just like this.
Cause the vibe's so smooth when I break it down. Break it down.
So let's make pitch up around here. Just like this. Sounds like this. And we're going to give some bit more reverb at the end of the sound. So it's like the fall off vintage. Just around here. And then we're going to automate the decay. So we only have reverb when the synth ends. So just like this. It sounds like this, eh? So that's it for the A section. Now let's dive into the B section. It's gonna be less heavy than the first part. So add a new Serum. So we're only gonna use the noise section. Just like this, put up the level. It's gonna be the right noise. So let's copy it in a new pattern. Just like this. Just a bit longer. Around here. About to the mixer. And give it a rhythm, speed. Stuff like this. That sounds nice. So action it and give it a look. Just like this. OSD. And some reverb. Just like this. So then mixed in. It's a bit too long. So just one here. And it sounds like this. Let's choose another rhythm. Guess I go for the trance gate. Just like this. So a bit too much reverb. So let's lower down the mix. And decay. So this is fine. And then copy over the A and B section to the next part. And there you go. So this is the foundation of the freestyle drop. It sounds like this.
Cause the vibe's so smooth when I break it down. Break it down.
And that's it. We're done. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next videos.